Bread roll. Milk 150 milliliters. The flour into bowl. 2. Cream the yeast with a wet cloth. 13. Leave with a wet cloth. 14. Leave in a warm place to prove. Bread roll. Ingredients: milk 150 milliliters, sugar 30 grams, yeast 1 teaspoon, egg 1, butter 50 grams, salt 1 teaspoon, flour 325 grams. Method: 1. Sieve the flour into bowl. 2. Cream the yeast and sugar in a small bowl. 3. Add a quarter of liquid. 4. Make a well in the center of the flour. Add the dissolved yeast and mixed. 5. Add the remainder of margarine, salt mixed properly and return to the table. 6. Return to the basing, cover with wet cloth and leave in a warm place until double in size. 20 minutes, this called proving the dough. 7. Knock back. 8. Divide into 8 even pieces. 9. Arrange to baking sheet which applied margarine. 10. Mold into desired shapes. 11. Place on a baking sheet. 12. Cover with a wet cloth. 13. Leave with a wet cloth. 14. Leave in a warm place to prove 20 minutes. Double in size. 15. Brush carefully with egg wash. 16. Bake in a hot oven. 220 C 10 minutes. 17. Take it out and brush again, butter or egg wash.
next video is coming to you soon. Look forward. Subscribe to this channel and like and comment your idea if you like the video. Thank you for watching.